There are several advantages of having a partner with you when you do Amazon Flex. Today, we're going to talk about the drop. When your partner is with you, they can handle everything that happens with the phone and the packages. All you need to focus on is driving. In today's example, my partner Joanne has scanned the package, and as we arrive at the customer's residence, she will hop out of the car.
The destination is on your right, 8126 Mountain Pass. Arrived.
And then as she delivers the package, I'll make a U-turn so that we can go on to our next spot. Since this is a cul-de-sac, I know that there's probably no more deliveries on this street, so I just turn around and park in front. And as you can see on the left side of the screen, Joanne traverses the stairs, drops off the package at the customer's door, takes a picture, and then marks the delivery as complete. Another great advantage of having your partner with you, not only did you get turned around and they dropped the package, but as she's coming back to the car, she's programming in our next delivery into the GPS. There she is.
Starting route to
and now,
402 Sir
the drop
William
is
Court.
complete and we move on to the next
Head
run.
west on Mountain Pass.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.